sakasakali lang daw na matanggal si Vice President Sara, syempre pipili si President Marcos ng kapalit na Vice President and you will be among the possible choices. Kung sakasakali, okay lang ba sa inyo? Kasi tinatanong ko lang dahil alam naman natin ang role ng Vice Presidente sa Pilipinas, spare tire yan eh. Unless nga, nung pag-uumpisa ng unit team, syempre close na close sila noon eh. Pero generally, yun ang nakikita natin. Payag ba kayo from Senate President to VP?
Hindi. Una, iklaro natin yung batas. Hindi porkit number 3 ako sa ika nga line of succession.
You will be one of the choices.
That's an unfair question because the entire Congress above the age of 40 and all of the senators can be a choice of the president. I am simply one of them. But if you ask me, I am not interested and it would be not good to look at. Kung magpapasa kami laban halimbawa sa kanya at tapos isa sa amin ang papalit, siguro it would be more prudent for those who voted to, if at all remove the Vice President, to decline any such offer or nomination.
Simula nung final yung articles of impeachment sa Senate, nagkausap na ba kayo ni President Marcos? Kahit pabiro lang, alam ko naman magkakaibigan kayo. Kahit in a joking, wala.
Hindi kami ganun ka-close. Hindi kami ganun ka-close ni Pangulo. Pero nagkausap na kami dahil nakita kami sa state luncheon para sa Cambodian Prime Minister, kung hindi ako nagkakamali.
Yes.
I think about a week or 2 weeks ago, but we did not talk about this. In fact, we only exchanged pleasantries given the fact that it was a state luncheon in honor of the Cambodian Prime Minister.
No jokes about tweet yung mga ganon-ganon.
None. I think it was but proper that we didn't talk about anything, not only because of the impeachment, but also because we were hosting, the Philippine government was hosting a state luncheon for a dignitary and a visitor from Cambodia.
What about Speaker Martin Romualdez? Wala bang, on his part, wala din bang any message of urgency na, oy, bilis-bilisan nyo naman? Wala bang ganon?
Well, kung hindi kami ganun ka-close ng Pangulo, lalo kaming hindi close ni Speaker. Nakita kami kagabi, Ma'am Ami, sa Japanese Embassy affair. Kaugnay ng birthday ng Emperor ng Japan. Pero nagkamayan at nagbatian lang din kami dahil marami din namang tao. Wala kami pagkakataon din mag-usap o pag-usapan yan. To be fair to the Speaker, wala rin naman siyang binanggit na kahit pabiro na, hoy, ano ba? Wala naman gano'n.